Are you guys ready to see what's behind this bus?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, if you guys want to see the house, you know what to say. You gotta say it with me. Bus driver, move that bus!
Hey, yo, what up, my dogs?
Finally,
Yes,
after almost 1 year,
God knows how much time.
we would like to welcome you to the first ever RWD headquarters.
If you have seen our previous videos, you might have seen this place, but it looked a little different. so-
Better!
Yeah, it was
Okay,
better.
somewhere here
Yeah.
should be a video.
Here's how it looked. And here is how it looks now.
Yeah, small transformation.
Yes.
Okay, at the beginning, I have to say something about where have you been when I did this this floor with I've painted that and I did a lot of stupid stuff. Where have you been, my boy?
I don't know, vacation or somewhere? Not here, definitely.
Tell us the taste of Italian coffee. Great?
It depends where you buy it.
Tell everyone.
It tastes better than the dust from the floor. But I helped you with taking all that stuff out of this place.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, so I leave the clean job to you.
Yeah.
So what do we have here?
The first and main important thing, electricity. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, amazing.
Your reaction is almost as sincere as the first one with the bus.
Okay, because we have the daylight now, we don't need that. The garage is not big, but enough for the beginning. Secondly, another main thing is the walls of this garage, because they are warm. They could hold temperature very well, and we could work at winter, because we need only something to heat this garage up, and we'll see. But I remember when here was a little bit smaller company than we are. Here was very warm, and it is a good sign, because in Poland we have very hard winters, and it is hard to work between probably November to March almost.
But electricity and the styrofoam do not allow you to work on cars. So
Yeah,
you...
because we still don't have skills. Okay.
That's the part I didn't want to mention.
Okay, that was the end of.
Okay, we don't have skills, but you bought some tools.
Yeah. Ta-dam, ta-dam, ta-dam. A lot of equipment, but I will tell you why I chose that company.
Because it was the cheapest?
Yeah, but no, Tagret or Traget is
Yeah,
well-known
if you
company.
cannot read,
they
it's a
are
target, yeah.
sponsors of one of Polish drifters.
Who?
I don't know, but I've seen that name
Okay.
on Polish drift competition, and that's why
So
I chose this brand.
there's a lot of stuff there that I don't know.
We need more hammers.
I don't know any of it.
Yeah.
What do you do with this? I have seen this one before, but not sure.
Oh, it's hard to find for two left hands.
Oh,
Oh,
it should all be covered with the foil.
Oh, here. Oh, look what
Wow,
I
big
used.
hammer.
Hammer.
Nice.
Only of this equipment I only used hammer.
So, and
And-
obviously,
lift, big
Yeah.
lift, because it's hard to work when you want to change the gearbox or something like that under the car, and it is much easier to lift your car up and work something under the car.
what else did you buy? The
In
other
Poland
lift.
we'll say the frog.
Yeah.
But because my friend has a very the lowest possible cars.
Which one?
One idiot, which I know.
But which car? I don't have any low cars now.
I bought this because of how low it is. Look, here is the lowest position, and it always a problem with lifting up such a low car like drift cars are, or even street projects. They are too low for normal usage,
And what's also nice that it has a longer arm that you don't have to
yeah.
go back and forth
Look,
100 times.
let's go to the maximum. Oh. I haven't tested this before. Oh,
Oh, it goes.
yeah.
You don't need the big lift.
I only need 2 of them.
Okay, so
This
if
is
you want to
maximum.
buy the big lift, we don't need it anymore. We're gonna use this one.
Yeah, enough. I could compare something on the same. It's yours, it's mine. Okay.
What else?
What else? Engines.
Engines.
They shouldn't be here, but this is my spare M52 B28 with M50 B25 manifold, and I don't have enough space because I have to have a place where without any humid or something like that, without any rain, and it is hard to find place when you have only 8 garages. Yeah, and this one has to stay here,
And I know another reason why you keep it here. Because every time you come here and look at it, you got the feeling that you want to put it in a car instead of the M54.
yeah, and why? Oh, look. Mechanical throttle body. That's why I'm still complaining about M54, even if it's now better because of our guy.
Who's our guy? What did he do? They don't know.
Bitter.
Peter Mansek?
Bitter.
Bitter, okay.
Bitter. And now it's better because we delayed ICV valve, and now it's better, but still not the same as throttle body.
Does it have the
No, I don't have still.
Damn, son.
Okay, here is an engine to another spare engine, M52 B28, which has problem with piston rings, but we'll see what's happened with
You have
this
the
one.
facility, you can change them.
Yeah, and this probably will be taken apart, and we'll see. I will sell probably parts, and I will left which I need. Parts which I need. We'll see.
Exactly.
We have to say something about our plans.
Yeah, exactly, about the plans, because this place is not fully prepared yet.
Yeah.
Because we plan to have a little leisure, chill out zone, or however you want to call it.
Yeah, and we want to do a castings here.
What?
Casting.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Nothing about it.
On this couch.
It's gonna be black and
Yeah.
leather one.
Okay, plans.
Yeah.
Couch.
Couch, table, carpet,
Yeah.
whatever, sim rig maybe.
Yeah, maybe, but it's hard because we have to keep the temperature higher
Yes,
than
plus,
0.
More distant plans that we discussed that might or might not be turned into reality. I'm talking about the.
Yeah, but I'm thinking about how it calls.
It's called Antresola.
Antresola.
Yeah, so like a platform.
Yeah, because
here.
we have to. We've inspired a little bit of Japanese style garage.
What?
Japanese
Yeah,
style garage.
you are inspired by.
Yeah, because they don't have enough space, and they have to do something with that and use as much as it is possible.
Yeah, so maybe sometime there will be a second floor.
Yeah, and that would be a proper chill zone.
Yeah, that's it for now. That's how it looks right now, and hopefully we will start to do something with it. There's a first patient.
Yeah, we have
But-
one.
It doesn't matter.
Oh,
in
and
this video.
at the end, I could show a very interesting thing. This guy who's mounted this lift, they left something like that. That's whole electricity and whole wiring of this lift.
Nice.
Nice, yeah. Where you have the socket. I tylko ten. Yeah. Wow. Wow. What a lightning.
It's nicely lit.
Yeah. Here we have another temporary warehouse because, oh, look, interesting stuff. 2JZ iron block, M54 B30 block and crankshaft, 2J crankshaft.
It's all stolen.
Yeah, as always. N54 intake manifold, and here probably will be the doors.
Yeah. Okay, but enough with this bullshit. If there's gonna be doors, we're gonna see it in the future.
Yeah.
Peace.